Hello, welcome back to our live showroom. Today we're going to be discussing the new interactive flat panel display from Ricoh, the world's most interactive whiteboard. It's available in multiple sizes. I'm standing next to a 55-inch one right now, but they're available as small as 22 inches, and there are larger ones at 65, 75-inch, and up to 84-inch. It can be mounted on the wall with various mounts, or it could be mounted to a stand like this one. They're also available in two flavors. You can get the interactive whiteboard with the Windows 10 controller, which allows you to basically use it like a giant tablet, upon which you can load and run any presentation software or any Windows application. If your organization is standardized on the Mac OS, or if you have a need for secure collaboration, then you'll want to go with the business controller. You can easily create a lesson or presentation right here on the board using the built-in robust drawing tools like fine writing and character recognition tracing, a multitude of simple shapes and lines, backgrounds and colors, and you can incorporate anything you can import or display from almost any source. Simply capture anything displayed and it's now a page in your lesson or presentation. It even auto-updates in real time as you mark up or annotate. Or you could import your lesson or presentation from your PC or thumb drive, and in various formats like PowerPoint or PDF. Freely change between any of the input sources seamlessly. Move from a document to an image, graphic, or video. When the interactive flat panel display is connected to your network, up to 20 devices like PCs, tablets, and phones can log in and follow along. An additional 50 network devices can join in and participate remotely, all with the ability to edit, draw, and mark up the shared screen remotely. All edits and annotations are automatically updated in real time, so it can be saved on the interactive flat panel display or a thumb drive. Create an interactive classroom that encourages collaboration, where teachers and students can simultaneously participate in real time, contribute to the discussions, form subgroups for problem solving, write notes directly on the interactive flat panel display, and continue the discussion without having to stop to open a separate notes application. So after you've saved your lesson or presentation, you can easily distribute it by printing or simply email it to one or an entire group of email addresses. It arrives as a PDF file, complete with everyone's notes and markups. So if your organization would like to demo the world's most interactive whiteboard at your location, simply follow the instructions below to see if you qualify. That way, you can see for yourself all the different ways that you can make your lessons and your presentations, or even your entire classroom, more interactive. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.